Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Plug your headset into the controller or USB port and sign into your console account. Once done, open the audio settings and run the mic test so you know levels are audible. Make sure party or privacy permissions allow voice chat with friends or strangers. If your headset has mute or gain switches, set them now. This avoids interruptions later and ensures you can hear and be heard the moment you join a session. You now create or join a party from the Friends or Party menu and invite teammates. Once inside, change input and output to your connected headset and balance chat versus game audio. Make sure the active mic icon appears so you know voice is transmitting. If the game uses in-game voice, switch that on and choose team or proximity modes. Once set, speak briefly to confirm others hear you. Adjust mic gain if your voice is too quiet or clipping. Finish by testing the connection with a friend and confirming chat quality during gameplay. If problems arise, first toggle mute and privacy settings, then reconnect the headset or restart the console. If voice still fails, check NAT type and party permissions because restrictive NAT or blocked party chat prevents connections. Make sure firmware and game updates are current. One key tip: if others can hear you but you cannot hear them, switch output to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.